Everyone thinks the best-selling TV antenna is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Some top sellers barely pull in local channels, while cheaper options deliver crystal-clear 4K. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, HIDB Magnetic Base Antenna. This HIDB antenna caught my eye because it's tiny, just under 3 inches wide, but promises up to 120 plus miles of range and 120 channels. At $25.39, it's mid-priced, and with 10,000 plus sold last month, clearly a lot of people are giving it a shot. If you want strong signal without cluttering your space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in smart IC chip filters out interference from phones, Wi-Fi, and even FM radio, so you get cleaner signal. The magnetic base lets you slap it on your metal TV stand or near a window for better reception. And with that 10-foot cable, you've got flexibility to position it just right. It supports 4K and 1080p, so if you're near broadcast towers, you'll see the difference in sharpness and color depth. Now, some people complained about weak signal in rural areas. Here's the thing though, this isn't an amplified antenna, so if you're more than 60 miles from a tower, you might struggle. But for city or suburban homes, it's surprisingly solid. Also, the lack of reviews is odd for a top seller, which makes me wonder about long-term reliability. This is perfect for you if you live within 50 miles of broadcast towers and want a clean, compact setup. Skip this one if you're deep in the countryside or need ultra-strong amplification. For the price, it's a solid value, just don't expect miracles if you're far from signal sources. Product number 2, DANT Long Range Amplified Antenna. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing extra reach, the DANT Amplified Antenna. Priced at $24.13, it's nearly identical in cost, but comes with a built-in signal booster and a massive 16-foot cable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The amplifier actively boosts weak signals, which is a lifesaver if you're on the edge of coverage. The triple-shielded coaxial cable reduces interference during storms or high winds, something the HIDB doesn't emphasize. With support for 600 channels, yes, that includes sub-channels, you'll likely catch every local news station, sports network, and even niche educational feeds. Here's the thing though, you can actually detach the amplifier if your signal is too strong, which is a smart design choice. But the plastic build feels a bit flimsy, and at nearly 10 inches long, it's not as discreet as others. This is perfect for you if you're 40-80 miles from towers and need that extra push. Skip this one if you live in a city with strong signals, you might not need the amp at all. For the price, it's one of the better amplified options out there. Product number 3, BWXO's Budget HD Antenna. Now, if the DANT's size and complexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The BWXO's antenna at just $7.61. It's the cheapest on this list, and at under 8 inches, it's barely noticeable. But don't let the price fool you. It supports 4K, 1080p, and pulls in major networks like ABC, CBS, and Fox. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9.8-foot cable gives you room to experiment with placement, and the 360 degrees reception means you don't have to point it like a satellite dish. It uses next-gen filter tech to block noise, so even in apartments with thick walls, you can still get a decent signal. It's ideal if you just want local news and a few shows without spending much. Now, some people complained about inconsistent channel counts, sometimes only pulling in 10-15 channels. Here's the thing though, this antenna has no amplifier and a very short range, only 50 feet claimed, so it's really only for urban areas with strong signals. Also, the build quality feels basic, no magnetic base, no shielding upgrades. This is perfect for you if you live in a city apartment and just need basic local channels. Skip this one if you're more than 20 miles from a tower or want reliable HD sports. For under $10, it's a great starter antenna, just manage your expectations. Product number 4, Apex Wave TV Magnetic 360 Degrees Antenna. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility. The Apex Wave TV antenna at $11.35. It's small, magnetic, and promises 360 degrees reception with a 120-mile range. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded Smart IC chip constantly scans for new channels, so you never miss a local broadcast. The 6-foot cable is shorter than others, but the magnetic base compensates by letting you place it on window frames or fridge tops for better signal. It supports 4K and 1080p, and the copper core coax reduces signal loss by up to 50%. Now, some people complained about weak performance in bad weather. Here's the thing though, this is common with non-amplified antennas, and Apex Wave includes grounding tips to help. Also, the range claim of 900,000 feet, about 170 miles, is wildly optimistic. Realistically, expect 60-80 miles max. This is perfect for you if you want easy, tool-free installation and live within 70 miles of towers. Skip this one if you need ultra-long range or live in storm-prone areas. Product number 5. Vansky Amplified HD TV Antenna. Now, if the Apex Wave's lack of amplification bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Vansky Amplified Antenna at $26.54. It's the most expensive here, but it includes a detachable amplifier, 16.5-foot cable, and claims a 250-mile range. It's built for serious signal challenges. The extra-long cable lets you run it from a basement to an upstairs window, and the weather-resistant design includes lightning protection, huge if you live in storm zones. It pulls in ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and even Univision in crisp 1080p. Now, some people complained about the amplifier failing after a few months. Here's the thing though, Vansky offers 24/7 support and a solid return policy, so you're not stuck. Also, at 140 ohms impedance, it's slightly less efficient than the standard 75 ohm models, which can affect signal clarity in weak areas. This is perfect for you if you're far from towers or in a rural area. Skip this one if you live in the city and already get strong signals. For the price, it's one of the most reliable amplified options available. So which antenna wins? The HIDB is great for compact setups, DANT for long-range needs, BWXOs if you're on a tight budget, Apex Wave for easy magnetic mounting, and Vansky if you need serious amplification. Your location and distance from towers matter most, so check dtv.gov/maps before buying. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. We test real products so you don't have to.